Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Please pardon how I look. I just finished my workout this morning and I want to quickly wash my hair and remake it today. So I have braids on. I've had it for like 2 weeks now and honestly I've enjoyed it so much. I'm not ready to let you go. I mean, if I have to do you again, I'm fine with that, but I'm not ready to take you out finally and then start looking for what else to do with you. So I'm just going to wash it, just wash and then moisturize, basically to wash out the build-up over the past 2 weeks of products that I've used on it. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm just going to show you guys real quick and then we'll transform into this. Ooh. Oh gosh, what a beauty. But before then, let us go and wash it. So I'm just trying to unravel. Is it unravel? I'll call it 2 weeks. Guys, so I'm done washing. I've moisturized and I just want to stretch it a little because I want to make it back, right, like I said. And yeah guys, my front hair is growing, I think. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'm just about to stretch it and I think that this thing looks finer when it's rough. Or is it just me? So my phone storage has not allowed me to film since morning. I'm done with this part. I'm almost done with this, as you can see. But anyway, if you need a tutorial for this, I already have a video on my page. I'll put a link in the caption so you can go check it out. This is the finished look, guys. What do I do? Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.